Good morning, little boy. Are you doing all right today? Yeah? Are you okay? Yeah. Good morning, good morning. Good morning.
Mel doesn't know I'm up here filming, but look, this is what he gets up to when he's working. Isn't he a sweetie? Busy filming and trying to help me at the same time. Oh dear. Bless him, he's trying to sort out my van and my hole in the ceiling. This is what is left once you take all the cowl and everything off. He's busy removing the cowl and all the silicone that's been left from the fitting of the flue. He's busy talking away, and no doubt on the new edit video that you get to see, you'll see, oh, and that's what's happened. The camera's fallen over. Bless. So yes, the wonders of YouTube and filming. He's actually on a tall ladder as well, so I'll take you down with me. So I'm actually just coming up to the van and going to see what's happening with Mel doing my roof. So I'll take you with me and you can have a look. There he is. Right, so I've actually been working with Mel today, and we've filled in the hole where the fire was, so you can check out that up there. I've just caulked it all in and made it look good, ready for painting. If you want to see how that was done, then you check out Mel's video over on his channel. I will link it down below. But as I was in this area, I've actually not finished off the section up above the sliding door, and I've been figuring out a way of how to clad over. So just take a look at this. This is my idea that I've come up with. Excuse that little bit, I've just got to make do with that. So this area is always really tricky because you can't get a piece of cladding flat, and I was thinking, why and how am I going to get a piece of cladding to fit? And I came up with these little wedges. So what I did was I cut off sections of some 2x1, I think it was, batten, and I cut them off at 90 degrees, or you know, roughly like so, and then I used some fix-it-all and put them staged, and I've got two, one behind there and one behind there, so I've got two on this piece, and I've literally just screwed it into that wedge. I let them dry for a couple of days, and I'm pretty impressed with what they look like. I mean, it keeps the angle of and the curve of the door, but it just finishes it off really nicely, and I'm just well chuffed that I came up with this idea. I haven't seen anyone else do this, but let me know in the comments below if you have and how you've seen them do it, or if you've done it, let me know how you've done it. So this bit's a bit tricky because of the curve of the door, so I've had to put a few more in, but yeah, I thought I'll give it a go, see if it works. I'll let you know in a few videos time if it's holding up. So this is the next day, and I've given it a chance to dry out and to stay fixed. So I'm just going to show you the end result now that I've filled all in the gaps with some caulking, and I've let it dry, and this is the end result. So I'm just going to show you and see what you think. So there's the finished result. So I've just filled in all the gaps and done a bit of architrave beading as well, just filled in between the cladding and just made up a bit around the doorway like so, and then just finished off that curve around there with a bit of boarding too. But it's just to show that with a bit of caulking and a bit of cladding and that that new technique with the triangle wedges, you really can get this slope back into the doorway there. I mean, I'm going to have to do something to fix on this side here where you can see, but from the inside it sorted that curve out brilliantly. Once it's all painted, I think it will look fine. So yeah, there we have it. A quick little over the door hack for the sloping ceiling. So if you liked it, leave a comment down below or let me know what you've done to get over this curve and what type of van you have, because being a crafter, this is obviously the way that this works here, but if you have whatever type of vehicle or van you've got, let me know what your solution has been for getting over that curve, because every van is different and every van slopes differently. So yeah, see what you think. Just as a quick snippet, does anyone else have this problem with just tools everywhere and you're just constantly tidying and sorting stuff out? I mean, take a look at this. This is the state of the garage, or rather, should I say, the area of the garage that I'm allowed to use. The wood is mine, everything else is my dad's, and he is a typical builder who doesn't throw anything away. So take a look at this. I'm going to show you what it looks like. So just take a look. This is what I've been organising this morning. So here's all my wood bits. I've stacked them very carefully. That's a big box of kindling for Mel. And then that is the state of the man shed. It's probably been like this for 15 years. That's mine, that box there. But the rest is Bob the Builder's. And how he thinks that he can find anything in here, I just don't know. But he is, he's very much a man of, I'll keep that, I might use it, you know, one day. But that day never comes, so this may well be my spring project to help him clear it out. Do you guys have a storage place like this? Let me know. I will be intrigued to know how anyone can survive trying to find stuff in that cesspit. But anyway, there's my little house. It's coming along nicely today. At least we haven't got the snow, which is bloody fantastic because it's been holding us up. I will see you in the next one. Bye.